Hi, welcome to our video about our BMW X3 2 litre diesel SE. I'll just take you around it and then take you around it a little bit closer. So you can see a bit more. Start at this corner, there's no particular damage on it. You can see down the side there, there's no damage on it, scuffs on the bumpers or anything. The wheel's in good shape, decent tyre, about 5mm on there. All down this side it's fine. See down there, and then similar on there, about 5mm on the tyres, and a decent tidy wheel. No nasty scuffs on the front or stone chips on the bonnet. And just down this side. Small dent on the door there, but apart from that everything else is absolutely fine. Okay, and this is from that angle again. Tow bar on the back and reversing sensors, as you can see. So nice and clean and tidy example of a car. Nice mileage of 73,000 miles. Just show you inside. No nasty wear on the seats. There you go, all the carpet's clean and tidy. This is the dash. There's 2 keys with it as well. Multifunction steering wheel. Door panels all clean and tidy. There's the tiniest little bit of wear on that seat, but nothing major. And then in the back, it's all clean and tidy as well. So nice clean car. Well looked after, drives really well. It's got the BMW wallets with it here, all the original stuff, and inside are all the booklets, as you can see. It's a service book, if I can find it. We've just serviced the car now, so it's all it's ready for action, so to speak. There's the original service book, so there's all the stamps in it, and serviced at a dealer in North Wales. Got a parrot Bluetooth as well. So if you'd like to give us a call, it's Chester 01244 377 747. The car's HPI Clear, it's a full MOT. Finance available as is part exchange, and we are trading standards registered for your peace of mind. You can see our testimonials on the goodgaragescheme.com and on our Facebook page, which is chesterautoservices.co.uk. Thanks, bye.